Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka. I thought it will be wise to share these products with you because they're super affordable but super useful. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching and let's get started. Let's start with our product number 1, which is from Lakme. So there are many primers in the market. Some of them are really expensive, but at the same time you have this blur primer from Lakme, which is super useful, especially for people who have open pores or oily skin. So you can see this is how the texture is, and I'm just going to take it little bit in my finger. You can push it like this as well, so it does blur the area wherever you're applying it. Let's press it here. Alright, so the price is $2.99. I know this looks small, but don't go on the size of this tube because the quantity is really great. One reason is that you need to use the quantity very less to blur the areas because it spreads a lot. Alright, so let's go to our product number 2, which is again one of my favorite. I have been using it. This is a Nivea light moisturizing cream, and I've seen that it goes on all skin types. It gives a great sheen under your makeup. This is for rupees 194 and the quantity is 100 ml. It gives a very subtle sheen from inside. So I have oily skin, but I still use it because I kind of find it very light. The third product, which I again really like, and it's super affordable. Right now I don't have the price written on this, but I'll definitely put it here. But I remember that this is also super affordable. This is the concealer palette, corrector and concealer palette from Inside, and the texture of this palette is creamy. You can use the shade for contouring, bronzing easily. Same goes for this, and these are your color correctors basically. So let's apply this orange one, and you can easily blend the products of Inside, so that's really good about it. Now the time is right to go to our fourth product, which is affordable again. Now in foundations you have many options. So the one I really like because of its glow dewy finish is this one. This is from Colourpop. You can just use your finger. The good part with this foundation is that where you have expensive foundations like 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, 8,000, this is just for 1,400, 1,500, and so easy to use, so versatile. You have shades available in this, and that's the reason I like it. This is how easy it is to apply this foundation. Now the next is this sponge from Crush. Right now I don't have the damp sponge, but let me just show you why I love this product, because even if you use it dry, it is so soft and easy to use that you can easily blend your foundation using this. Now before I take you to my next product, let me just show you this concealer palette again from Inside, and this is how versatile again this is, that you just take this darker shade, contouring. Same sponge we will use, and this is how you can get that shadowing or contouring effect using the same palette. Alright, now the next product which I really like is this brow palette from L'Oreal. Now Anastasia is there. In fact, many brands are there. Again, they are starting from 2,500, 3,000, 4,000, and this palette is for rupees 1,099. You can get it on discount sometimes for 700, 800. So it has two textures in it. This is powder and this is more of a wax kind of consistency, but this comes with a small brush like this, so it's a brownie point, right? And I really like this because it gives you a natural finish. At the same time, it's not very expensive like other brands. So the next one is from Aqualogica. This is a tinted lip plump plus balm. This is for $2.99. Again, I like this product for its multiple uses. So you take this balm. I'm also going to use it here. and it gives you that glossy finish here without using a highlighter, as well as it's slightly tinted, so it does help in that as well. So this is why I like this. This product is not very super affordable. It is for 849 rupees, but again the quantity is a lot. It would last you for a year for easily. This is the powder, setting powder from K Beauty, the loose one, and the finish is really nice. Like, it will not look cakey at all on your face. Yes, so the next one is Glowzilla palette face kit from Mars, and this is just for rupees 329. But a great versatile palette. You can use it for eyes, highlighting. So let me again show it to you how to use it, or how I use it. Also use it as your eyeshadow, so you can go for a lighter shade like this. Spread it on your lid, lower lid. And now I'm going back to this eyebrow palette, and I want to show you how you can use this brown pigment as your liner. So like this you can use for having a very soft smudge pigment on your eyes. So yes, next affordable product is also very nice. This is from Mars. This is a lip liner, and this was rupees 69. You're gonna love it. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be back soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye.